The legendary Roger Federer took our Who Said It quiz at the Australian Open. January sees the tennis season blaze into life on the scorching hard courts of Melbourne Park. The first Grand Slam of 2019 sees world number 1 Novak Djokovic aiming for his third consecutive Slam title, and 7th Australian Open. He faces tough opposition from defending champion Roger Federer, while Rafa Nadal aims for his first triumph down under since 2009. Andy Murray hopes to go far as he steps up his comeback from injury, while controversial home favourite Nick Kyrgios is bound to attract attention, good or bad. On the women's side, all eyes will be on Serena Williams as she aims for Grand Slam number 24. Among those looking to halt Serena's charge, world number 1 Simona Halep, defending champion Caroline Wozniacki and US Open winner Naomi Osaka. Eurosport Player has every match live across 18 courts, so you can catch all the action on iOS, Android, web and connected TV.